Okay, this is Sheraton Imperial Hotel, Kuala Lumpur. Today I'm going to test run this genset under offload condition. Okay, before we test run the genset, let us check the parameters. Okay, engine oil. Let's see the level. Okay, level okay. Service on last year, no issue. Battery water level okay. Let's check the fuel level. Fuel level indicator faulty. Okay. Genset belting okay, just replace. Okay, the tension looks fine, no issue. There's no engine oil leakage, no radiator water leakage, and no fuel leakage. Alright, we're going to check the radiator water. Radiator water level a bit emptier. Let us use a torchlight. Okay, water is clean, available. Alright, let's check the fuel level. Okay, let's light it up. Okay, the tank level is almost about 50%. Let's get down. Must be careful. Alright, we're going to test run the genset. Using test mode. Okay. Okay, here I'm inside the level 18 HV room. Okay, here I just take a routine check on the HV room. This is the transformer and this is the VCB panel. Okay, normally what I check is make sure the protection relay is in good condition. Alright, it depends on what protection relay the installation have, and then do make sure there's no unusual sound, humming sound from a transformer. If let's say there's some partial discharge ongoing, and do make sure the room temperature is okay, not excessively hot. Make sure the room is dry, no moisture, no water flooding, no water ponding, because even though it doesn't short circuit the electrical system, it could also cause the room humidity high, thus condensation can happen. Okay, this is the tripping unit battery. Make sure voltage is above 30 volt DC. The temperature controller here is faulty, will be replaced soon. And here we have the LV room. And we have 3 MSB here. Do check the power factor is above 0.95. We have some faulty relay to be replaced. This is the changeover. Okay, we will proceed to M floor. Here I'm inside the main HB room, 11 kV. This is level M floor. Here we have all the switchgear tools intact. And then we have the incomer panel over here. Okay. This is the TNB incomer panel. Currently the load is not so high. And we have the TNB meter here. And here we have 2 units of cast resin transformer. Currently the temperature is room temperature, I mean. Not warm. Maybe 25, 26, 27. Temperature controller also faulty, need to replace. Okay, battery okay, just service. Electrolyte level a bit drop. Okay, let's proceed to the LV room. Okay, here we are inside the LV room. Let's check the power factor. 0.97 inductive side. About 7 step on. MSB number 1 incomer, coupler, MSB number 2 incomer. Okay. Power factor 0.99, about 6 step on. Load is not high. We have some relay faulty. This is the changeover ACB. Okay, let's proceed to the genset room. Okay, now I'm in level G Sheraton Hotel. This is another genset. Okay, I'm going to test run it off-load condition. So before we test, let's check the parameters. Okay, battery in good condition, slightly a bit warm, some overcharge. Okay, engine oil okay, no leakages of fuel. Belting, tension okay, not so loose. No leakages of engine oil, no leakages of fuel, no leakages of radiator water. Okay, this is the diesel fuel tank. Let's check what is the level. Oh, this is quite full, about 70%. And there's 2 tanks here. It's more than enough. Okay, as usual, we're going to check the radiator water level as well. So I need to climb up. Okay. This is the radiator water. Alright, there's coolant available. I can see the green color here. Okay. So it's full, clean. As though it's just recently serviced. This is the genset from top view. And this is the fuel solenoid. This is the fly view. This is the belting, and this is the radiator fan. Okay, without further delay, let's test the genset. We're going to test it using the test mode. Alright.